What if your bike could see behind you, protect itself, carry more, and even turn electric in seconds? Today, you're about to discover the smartest, boldest, and craziest bicycle gadgets that riders around the world are secretly upgrading to. Ready to level up your ride? Let's begin. Biker Top is a compact bag that unfolds into a rain shield in seconds. It helps keep your upper body dry and improves visibility in bad weather. The bag isn't meant for storage. It mainly holds the frame and canopy inside. The whole setup weighs about 3 kilos and costs around $188. This is a handlebar cargo sling, a lightweight cradle for carrying soft or bulky items up front. It installs quickly, holds up to about 5 kilos, and works well for things like balls, jackets, or small bags. A simple add-on that costs around $77. This compact tail light offers up to 120 lumens of brightness, a solid number for something in this price range. You can choose classic red or switch to blue or green if you prefer. Battery life reaches up to 10 hours on a single charge, and the light costs just $17. Here's the Eurobike Award winner, the Flecto 360 reflector stickers. They wrap around the spokes for full 360-degree visibility, and unlike many alternatives, they don't affect wheel balance at all. Each sticker weighs just 0.8 grams, and a set of 4 costs $19. The Beam Corky X is a tiny rear-view mirror made for cyclists. It weighs only 14 grams, mounts directly onto your riding glasses, and gives a clear view of what's behind you. The Corky X is priced at $53. A compact but surprisingly loud security gadget, the eScenes Guardian Alarm. For just about $20, it delivers a 110 decibel siren that instantly draws attention when your bike is touched. It also includes a wireless pager sending alerts up to 305 meters away, so you're notified even when the bike is out of sight. Klug is the world's smallest bike rack. It's just a small wall-mounted clip that holds your front wheel so you can store your bike vertically and save a lot of space. Installation is simple and doesn't require any bulky hardware. The price is about $6.5 per clip. The Lezine Laser Drive is more than a tail light. It projects 2 red laser lines to mark a clear safety zone, making you easier to see and helping drivers pass safely. One charge lasts up to 17 hours, and the light costs $65. The Garmin Varia uses radar to detect cars approaching from behind. It warns you with on-screen visuals, sound alerts, and a rear light that flashes brighter as vehicles get closer. A smart safety upgrade, priced around $169. The Flasher Duo are smart armbands with built-in front and rear lighting. They make hand signals much clearer in the dark and can even act as automatic brake lights. When connected to the app, the bands vibrate to guide you through turns based on the route you set. A pair of Flasher Duo costs $169. This small acoustic sensor clips onto the valve and lets your phone estimate the tire pressure from the sound it makes. It's a simple approach, not meant to replace a full digital gauge, but handy for quick checks while you pump. Prices usually range from $10 to $20. Clip is the world's only portable kit that transforms a regular bicycle into an e-bike in seconds with no tools required. Delivering 450 watts of power, up to 24 kilometers of assisted range, and a 1-hour fast charge, Clip sells for around $619. This is the Pika Boost, a simple add-on that turns a regular bike into an electric one. It locks onto the seat post and pushes the rear wheel with a compact drive roller. The setup delivers around 70 kilometers of assisted range, which makes long rides, especially climbs, feel a lot easier. The whole kit is priced at about $369. The AirVod is a compact, battery-powered pump made for cyclists and other outdoor riders. It weighs just 209 grams and can inflate tires up to 8 bar. The pump works with both Presta and Schrader valves, and even includes an LED light for use in the dark. Its price is $79. This is the Fidlock Twist magnetic mechanical bottle mount. The bottle snaps in from the side, guided by strong magnets, and locks mechanically so it won't fall off even on rough rides. You can remove it with a simple twist motion. Because the mount is extremely compact, it's perfect for bikes with tight frames. A set with the 750 milliliter twist bottle plus mount costs around $50. The device shown is the X50 Plus dual camera bike recorder, a compact dual lens action cam designed for cyclists. It records the front and rear simultaneously in 1080p, offers up to 4 hours of battery life, and supports helmet or handlebar mounting. The X50 Plus is priced at around $119. These ultralight rim brakes from e-brake/Cane Creek are built for riders who want top performance with minimal weight. They self-center without tools, feature a smooth quick release for fast wheel changes, and come in at an incredibly low weight, 84 grams in front and 85 in the rear. A true high-end upgrade, priced at around $780 a pair. The Ataraxy Vabs Rider is a dynamic split saddle designed to move with you. Each half pivots independently, responding to your pedal motion in real time. This helps distribute pressure more evenly and reduces strain on long rides. Both halves can be adjusted in height, and the overall width is fully customizable. The Vabs Rider is priced at $655. Extra Wheel's single-wheel trailer is a creative way to add cargo space for long trips. It follows the bike like a third wheel and gives you up to 100 liters of extra storage. A handy bonus is that the trailer's wheel can serve as a spare if you ever need one. For bike trips, grocery runs, or just hauling gear outdoors, the Burley Hopper is surprisingly versatile. It works as both a bike trailer and a handcart, with a cargo volume of 115 liters and a load capacity of 45 kilos. The Hopper is priced at $600. The XO X-Pack turns a simple bike rack into a practical 20-liter cargo bag. It carries up to 10 kilograms with ease, and when you're off the bike, it quickly transforms into a comfortable backpack. Price, $135. Hamax's Pluto trailer is a simple answer to the problem of cycling with a dog. It sits somewhere between a bike trailer and a stroller, giving pets a roomy and stable space to ride. The adjustable suspension helps smooth out bumps, and the folding frame makes it easier to store or transport. Pluto is built for dogs up to 45 kilos and is priced at $900. The Beam Bike Station can charge up to 12 electric bikes at the same time. It runs entirely on solar energy, thanks to large panels producing around 300 watts. A built-in battery pack stores up to 40 kilowatt hours, so the station keeps working even after sunset. These are the CyberSight HUD glasses, sports eyewear with a built-in real-time display. They show your speed, distance, power, and heart rate right in view, and can warn you about cars approaching from behind. The glasses weigh only 39 grams and last around 8 hours on a charge. The CyberSight model starts at $279. This small eye tail light adds a playful but visible signal to the bike. It mounts under the saddle in seconds and can be set up easily through a smartphone app. A single unit costs $56. The City Lock is pitched as a lightweight, compact bike lock. It weighs just 1 kilogram and folds neatly into a small carry case. The case mounts to the frame like a bottle holder, so the lock is always within reach. Its price is $72.